Hello, let me show you how you can use magnification on Samsung Galaxy S25. So first of all, we have to navigate into settings, then we have to keep scrolling and navigate just straight into accessibility. Now move into vision enhancements and you have to scroll down for magnification. And when we are here, we can select magnification shortcut, so how we can actually start magnification. In my case, I just select triple tap screen quickly. So let me quickly show you 1, 2, 3, and here I am. If I want to use this magnification, I have to use my 2 fingers, because if I try to do this with my 1 finger, then I can scroll up and down. So that's how I can actually move it. And if you want to zoom in or zoom out, you have to pinch your screen. And as you can see, you can actually zoom in really close. And that's how it works. If you want to turn it off, click 3 times or use the method that you actually select.